Goon Squad, they put it on everything. They love it. We're going to put it on our plastic parts, on our emblems here. Enamel, man. HP. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD Extreme Off-Road in beautiful faded Alabama Sun Barcelona red. JP matched this color perfectly. It's beautiful shining here in the shop today. There's a couple of things that we want to do. We want to try to get this thing buttoned on up, get it looking like we really want it. Except I forgot the decals, the TRD decals for the bed. I forgot to bring them, but that's okay. We'll work around that. We got all the badges. We're gonna black those badges out. We're gonna get some stuff done. We bought something else for this truck. These hub-centric wheel spacers. I mean, these things are machined aluminum. We want to get this wheel out 1.5 inches, kind of give it a little bit wider span. If it don't rub too bad, we're gonna leave them, because if the wheels ain't rubbing, they're not big enough. You know, that's what we say. But we've got a lot going on. We're gonna get this thing buffed up. We're gonna get it shined up. We're gonna get it cleaned up. We're gonna get everything washed up underneath. We're gonna try to black out the fender wells, the frame, get it looking absolutely perfect. It's gonna be the most beautiful truck that you ever saw. So that's enough talking. Let's start working. Okay, so this is a flip truck. This is a flip truck. And we're gonna go through the 3-step process, maybe 4, fixing our badges to turn them black. So we both wanted to order some new badges, but I think we forgot to order them. But we found these badges. We had these badges. Nothing wrong with these badges. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the old super scuff them all up, super prep, get it all cleaned up. If any of y'all watch the Goon Squad, you know the Goon Squad loves the Bulldog. So they put that stuff on everything. It's just like Frank's hot sauce. We're gonna put it on our plastic parts on our emblems here because they're a little bit chrome, they're a little bit smooth. We gotta scuff them up to leave the paint a place to stick to. And then we're gonna use the adhesion promoter to just kind of help that process. So we're gonna do that. And then we got JP spared no expense. He got this at the Walmart. And you can't beat Rust-Oleum, everybody loves it. This flat black, this is black, this is semi-gloss. It's semi-gloss, it's what we got. It's gonna look beautiful. JP, he's ready. We're gonna get it done. Let's hop to it. Alrighty guys, check this thing out. Check out these Raptor lights. I mean, these things come in with a strip that you just snapped into the grill, which is pretty neat. That's pretty neat. The little strip, it just snaps right in, and then every single one of these lights just plugs up right here. So they all plug up into the harness, and it goes back to just battery and ground. So I mean, all we got to do is hook up the battery and ground, and they're going to work. So we're thinking about just wiring them in to maybe a marker light or a headlight or something. So we don't want them on their own switch. We want them to come on when the lights are on. So we're going to do that. We're going to maybe poke around in the fuse box and find a wire, or poke around on the edge of the headlights and find a wire. We're going to find a wire. So let's go ahead and get that done, see how that looks, and maybe wash a little bit of this engine bay out because it still looks a little bit dirty to me. We're going to wash the engine bay out. The truck is really looking, it's looking 100%, man. We couldn't be happier the way this thing's turning out. We hope to get it out in the sun here in just a few minutes to give you a look to see what you think. Alrighty guys, check it out. Check out this beautiful Tacoma. Man, it has come a long way from the day that we unloaded this truck. It's looking absolutely beautiful. This is our flip truck. We are going to sell it. You know, it's going to be for sale here very soon, and I hope that everything come together on it today like we wanted it to, except we didn't get our badges put on. We didn't get our wind deflectors and stuff put on. There's a couple things we didn't get put on. So this is not going to be the last video on this truck. We did get it cleaned up. We didn't get it all shined up the way that we wanted. We got the beautiful Raptor lights all wired up. Everything is looking really good. Absolutely amazing. We got a lot of things, a lot of exciting things for the channel lined up. So be sure and check us out on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. I got CC to fix that. The orange wire 01 was bothering me. So it's at Real Orange Wires on Instagram. We always post updates before YouTube. I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. We really appreciate you stopping by and watching. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give us a like. Drop us a comment. Until next time, we're out.